defined on A0 by 2 plus summation what? AN cosine n pi ala px plus bn sine n pi ala px. This is the Fourier series, right? Where the constant A0 is given by 1 by p, not 2 by p. Yeah, Abdurrahman, the last lecture you recorded, there needs to be this correction. What correction? By mistake, I give here 2 by p, not 2 by p. It should be 1 by p. That's why I sent you immediately those exercises, giving this description also. AN is 1 by p minus p to p fx multiplied by what? And bn equal to 1 by p here for bn, this coefficient. So when you are asked to find the Fourier series, first you will recognize what is P. After you recognize what is P, then you write down this Fourier series, A0 by 2, n equal to 1 to infinity. You will use that P here. This is the formula. Then what you need to do, you need to find the constant A0, constant AN, constant BN, and they are called Fourier coefficients, A0, AN, BN. After you find, you go back, substitute here, and that is your answer. Is that okay? All of you understand? Understand or not? Okay. Let us take one more exercise. Find the Fourier series. For the function. And deduce that deduce is also said what? Deduce means what? Show that. What you have to show that? pi square by 8 is equal to summation m equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 2m plus 1 square. This question is for 5 marks, 4 marks for finding Fourier series, and last 1 mark is for showing this. Yes. Yeah, Abdullah. Abdullah Al-Aboudi. Hello.
Yes, doctor.
Abdullah, did you ask me question by email? Did you send me email?
No, I didn't.
Oh, then I don't remember who sent. All right. But why there are only 9 students today? Saud? Where is Saud?
Yes, doctor.
Saud,
Yes.
text the students to come quickly because this is important. 10 marks, Fourier series, Fourier integrals. Will you text the students?
Yes, I will.
Yes. And do you remember on Yom Larba, you have the extra lecture from 8 to 9:30. Wednesday, this Wednesday. That means tomorrow we'll have extra lecture. Okay. What is the function? Look at the function. From minus pi to 0. What is the value of the function? That is when x is negative. What is the value? Raqi?
It is x minus x.
Look carefully. When x is negative, what is the qima of absolute value?
Plus.
لا إذا كان x negative.
Then it will be plus with the negative to its left.
Yeah, absolute value will be minus x. Do you understand? إذا كان x positive, the value of absolute value is same. لكن إذا كان x less than 0, absolute value is minus x. That's why it is plus. Are you understanding?
Yes, yes.
So what is the value then?
Plus.
What is the function? What will be the function?
Minus x plus x. It will be
What
0.
will be? No, yeah, Raqi. Look.
2x, doctor.
That will be 2x.
Doctor, can you explain how?
You said 2x. You said yourself 2x.
Yes, I said 2, but I don't know.
What is the absolute value of x? Is that kind of x negative?
X. Supposed to be x.
No, that will be minus x. Look. Minus 2 equal to what? Yes, do you understand?
Yes, yes.
All of you understand. Raqi, now you understand, Wala.
Yes, doctor.
And if it is positive, what will be its value?
0.
Quickly.
Zero, doctor.
That will be 0. So your function is this. Just I will draw the graph of the function. Always have the habit of drawing the graph. So this is the graph from 0 to minus pi to 0. And what is here? This is just 0. So this is the graph of the function. If it's periodic of period 2 pi, the graph will be it goes on repeating. It goes on, goes at hatta infinity. Similarly, on this side, so the graph goes on repeating. I will remove this because the graph is not needed here. So what I have to find now? Now, the Fourier series first I have to write down. What is the Fourier series? Here, what is P? Interval is minus pi to pi. So the P is what? And the Fourier series is? What is the Fourier series? Yeah, Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, what is the Fourier series? Yes. AN. P is pi. What will be that? So now what you have to find? You have to find A0. You have to find A0 first. What is the Qanun? 1 ala P minus pi to pi fx dx. 1 ala pi. Only this will be alive from where to where? The value of the
minus
function.
pi to 0.
And here it will be 0. This will be 0. So you got AN equal to how much?
minus pi.
Yes. I will write down here the value. A0 is minus pi. Now what I have to find? I have to find what? What I have to find now?
AN and BN.
BN. Fx darab what? So I will remove this portion for calculations. So this is equal to 1 over pi, 2 outside, 2 over pi, integration by parts. X into integral of cosine is 1 by n sine nx minus 1 by n integral of sine nx minus pi to 0. That is equal to 2 over pi x by n sine nx minus minus plus 1 over n squared cosine nx, and the limit is from minus pi to 0. So from here you will find an equal to 2 over pi. Upper limit means when x is 0. So here you will, everything is 0. Here it will be 0 plus 1 ala enter here. Why? Because cosine 0 is 1. Minus lower limit. Lower limit, you know, sine n pi is 0. Plus cosine n pi is minus 1 to the power n. So what is the value of an? What is the value of an? 2 over pi 1 minus minus 1 to the power n ala n squared. This is an. Now what you have to find?
Bn.
Bn. That will be 1 ala pi minus pi to pi fx darb what?
nx.
Sine nx. But the value of function is this. On this interval, the rest is 0. So you will find this is 1 by pi minus pi to 0 2x two over pi integration by parts minus x by n cosine nx minus minus plus plus 1 by n tertia sine nx. Limits from minus pi to 0. This is a little long, but not difficult. But integration is needed. So this is equal to 2 over pi upper limit. When x is 0, everything is 0. Sine 0 is also 0, so upper limit is 0. Minus lower limit. Minus minus plus pi over n. Cosine n pi is minus 1 to the power n plus 0. Sine n pi is 0. This pi cancels. So you got this Bn. So now substitute the values here. A0 is this, An is this, Bn is this. So you can write down the Fourier series. Fx equal to what? A0 is minus, so this will be minus pi by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an. Where is an? Multiplied by plus bn multiplied by sine nx. So this is your Fourier series. Hatta this you achieved how many marks? You achieved 4 marks. Now 1 mark is remaining. What is that? Can you tell me what I have to do now?
Show that.
There is square of n, right? In the right-hand side, show that there is square of 2n minus 1, right?
It's 2m plus 1 squared.
Okay, 2m plus 1, right? Square. That
Yes.
means matlub, which term in this sum? Which term is matlub? There are 2 terms in the
Odd,
summation.
doctor, right?
The first term is matlub because n tarbiya is in first term. Second term contains n faqat, that is not matlub. So what you will do, put n equal to 0. What you will do? Put what? X equal to 0.
Sorry, doctor.
Say
Can you
yourself.
repeat what you just said?
Look, this is matlub in the show that. N tarbiya is matlub. Because you are showing that pi tarbiya ala 4 or something, I don't remember that.
Yes,
Equal
doctor.
to 1 by tarbiya here. So this tarbiya suggests that I have to choose this term, not this term. So to finish this term, I should choose x equal to 0. Because if I choose x equal to 0, sign is gone. Understand, Ola? Not understanding?
Yes, because sine 0 is 0.
0. So what you will have? Put x equal to 0. So what will, when x equal to 0, the function is 0, right? What is the value of the function? Function is this, fx equal to
Minus
x
pi to
minus.
0.
So when x equal to 0, the value of function is 0. Please note that fx is continuous. It is continuous at x equal to 0. This is continuous. This is continuous at x equal to 0. So value is this. Now you put x equal to 0, this will become 1, this will become 0. So what you will have? 2 over pi. Is that right? Can I go
Yes,
back?
doctor.
Is it possible for me to go back if I want to go back? It is not possible to go back, right?
Go back to where, doctor?
To the previous page where I found an. Do you know what was an? What was an? 1 ala p minus pi to pi. What was that? Fx.
Doctor, an is up in the page. 2 over pi
Yeah, that's, but before that, while we find, we had this, look.
Hmm.
And this will be minus pi to 0. And here is what? 2x cosine. Yes, that is all right. All right. Sorry. Yes. So 2 over pi. What is that? Yes, it is here up in the page. Sorry. 1 minus 1 to the power n ala n terabia into what? Because I choose x equal to 0, this will become 1 and this will become 0. Understand, Wala? All of you understand?
Doctor, we choose x equals 0 to, we want n squared, right?
Yes, matlub n square, right? See, look, when you want to retain cosine, choose x equal to 0. When you want sine, put x equal to pi by 2. Here, because we know that, what do you know? Cosine n pi is minus 1 to the power n. And sine n pi is 0. Cosine odd multiple of pi by 2 is 0. Sine odd multiple of pi by 2 is minus 1 to the power n. N minus 1. These are the qawanin I gave you people. Because this 1 mark is crucial, you have to choose carefully. Through practice, you will get it. Yes. So take this pi by 2 on that side. Equal to 2 over pi summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 minus 1 to the power by n square. Now look, here is the trick, or pi square by 4 equal to, look, here is the trick. إذا كان n odd, this will become minus 1. If n is odd. And that will become 0 if n is even. Are you understanding? Understanding or no? Yeah, Abdul Rahman. Are you understanding? Here, this is important. Look, 1 minus 1 to the power n is 0 if n is even. And 1 minus 1 to the power n is 2 if n is odd. Do you understand? Even means 2n. Odd means 2n minus 1. So what should we hear? Are you understanding? Ask it. Yes, Saud,
Yes, doctor.
Raqi.
Yes,
Raqi
yes,
is
doctor.
gone. He's
Doctor,
No, no.
that's it,
here.
doctor.
Yes. Now this is important. Look. Actually, in the question, please change it. It should be pi square by 8. Now look. R Look carefully. I want to just tell you one thing. N equal to 1 to infinity, 1 ala 2n minus 1 terbiya. Now choose in this summation, choose here n equal to m plus 1 in the summation. Now this summation then will become what? When m minus 1, sorry. Choose n equal to m minus 1. Is it? No, m plus 1, sorry. Yes. Choose n equal to m plus 1. Please understand. If n equal to 1, what will be m? What will be m? 0. So the summation will become m equal to 0 to infinity. 1 ala. 2n will be 2m plus 2 minus 1. So what is that? Can you tell me, please?
So m plus 1.
M equal to 0 to infinity, 1 over 2m plus 1. This I want to teach you, that this is same as this. So what you got is pi square by 8 equal to summation m equal to 0 to infinity, 1 by 2m plus 1 square. Any question? Any question? No question?
Inshallah,
So
inshallah it's clear.
clear. Abdul Rahman. Inshallah. Inshallah. All right. I will remove this. I will go out and come back. We'll take another exercise. It's not good. Wait a minute. Let me change the question. Yes. And show that, I don't know. When we get the answer, we'll write down. This blank after we get the final answer.
Doctor,
Yes. Yes.
in the exam, he will write something here, right?
Yes, of course. Of course. Solution. What is the function? from minus pi by 2 less than x less than 0. What is the function? Do you understand this? Because sine x is negative in fourth quadrant. Where is this quadrant? This is fourth quadrant here. All silver tea cups. Here sine is negative, so this will be. And here 0 x to pi by 2. This is positive, sine is positive, so its schema is sine x. Do you understand this, Wala? Good. So this is the function. Understand? Now, the Fourier series is fx equal to a0 by 2 an cosine. What is p here? What is p?
Pi
What
over
is
2.
p? Yes. So n pi a la pi over 2 will be what?
2n.
Now I have to find the coefficients. What is a0? 1 a la pi by 2. That is 2 over pi. What will be the, you have two integrals. Minus pi by 2 to 0. Plus what? First integral is cosine x. Second integral is minus cosine x. So I will write minus here. What will be that? Come on. Cosine 0 is 1.
1.
Minus cosine pi by 2 is 0. Minus 0 minus 1. So what is this?
2. Square root 2. 4 pi.
4 over pi. So I will write down here the value. Here I will write down, and I will have to remove something so that I can find an and b. Now an equal to what? 1 a la p fx what? fx ضرب the value of the function is what? Minus sine x, right? Any question? Now here is the trick, how you 2 over pi. Now to evaluate this integral, you will use what qanun?
Double the angle
Half
or half.
what? This is the qanun you will use. So what you will use, say it again. Half what is this? Sine A cosine B will be what? Are you understanding? Ya Abdul Rahman. What will be second term? Sine A minus B. What will be that? Come on. 1 minus 2n. I will take minus out. Same thing here. Plus half Be patient, please, and understand everything. Now, integrate. Now, integration easy. These qawanin are only for integration. That product of sines of different angle, product of cosines of different angle, one sine, other cosine. This. Now, come on. What is the integral? Integral is now easy. What is the integral?
Minus cosine.
Minus, that is minus plus. Okay, let me write minus outside. And then inside, integral will be here what? Minus 1 by 2n plus 1 cosine 2n plus 1 x. Here minus plus 2n minus 1 cosine 2n minus 1x. And limits are what? Minus pi by 2 to 0. And the second term is plus half minus 1 by 2n plus 1 cosine 2n plus 1 x minus plus and here the limits are from where? 0 to pi by 2. Substitute limit. Upper limit first. Cosine 0 is 1. Cosine 0 is 1. So upper limit is this. Minus lower limit. Cosine 2n plus odd multiple of pi by 2 is 0. And also this is 0. This is the limit of the first, plus half.
Doctor,
Yes.
for the integral, I think
Yes.
there's something wrong.
What is wrong? Tell me.
Yes, sine 2n plus 1 multiplied by x, right?
Yes.
It's integral sine 2n plus 1 x squared over 2, right?
No.
Oh, sorry for...
Okay. All right. That is like sine 2x, sine 3x, sine 4x. 2n plus 1 is a number. Okay. Now substitute here upper limit. Cosine of odd multiple of pi by 2 is 0. Again, this is 0 minus lower limit. Putting x equal to 0, you get minus cosine is 1. So you found this 2 over pi. Now look, minus minus plus, and also this is minus minus plus. So you will find that they add. What happens? They add. So what you get is 1 over 2n plus 1 minus 1 over 2n minus 1. If you don't understand, check it carefully. Check it carefully. So ultimately, this is 4n tervia minus 1 to ala pi. And here 2n minus 1 minus 2n minus 1. So this cancels, we get minus 4 pi into 4n square minus 1. So your an is here. I'll write down the value of an here. Now I have to find bn also. I'm sorry. Yes. Say.
Doctor, sorry for this part.
Ask.
When we took the integral,
Yes.
could you explain to me, please?
Cosine 2x dx. What is the integral? What is the integral? Yeah, Saud.
Yes, minus sine.
That is like that.
So, doctor, you put the x outside the...
It is not outside because this whole thing.
I thought it's not.
Yeah, this 2x, x is not outside. Are you understanding, Saud?
Yes, now it's...
Now you have to find bn. Sorry, this is a little long, but not difficult. Do it nicely. And through practice, mashallah, you will be perfect. Definitely more perfect than myself because being old person, things are slow with me, as well as sometimes there is no synchronization of brain and hand in old age. But you people, mashallah, are young. Oh, sorry, I removed. You will tell me what was A0, ya Abdul Rahman? Abdul
I will
Rahman,
tell you. I will tell you.
what was A0? 4 over pi. By mistake, I removed it. I will write again. Yes. A0 was 4 over pi. Okay. Now here, Now you are finding what? Bn. I'll remove this also. What is the Bn then? Come on, yeah, Saud. What is Bn? Where are you, Saud?
It is sine 2n x dx.
Yes, Bn will be same integral where instead of cosine. And where is Saud has gone?
No, no, doctor.
Then what is Bn? Come on, tell Saud.
Bn is sine
Yes.
2n by
Yes, so this will be equal to 2 over pi. And the first integral will be what? From minus pi by 2 to 0 sine x plus that is equal to 2 over pi minus this will be, you will again use the same trick. What is that is what is that? Half what's cosine A minus B. So it is same as 2n minus 1x. I gave you this formula. And I told you that you will be constantly using them. For the second half, same thing. Come on, what is the integral? Now substitute the limit. Upper limit. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 is 0. So you'll have 0 minus 0. Minus lower limit. Sine minus theta is minus sine theta. So here you'll have 1 minus 2n minus 1. And sine 2n minus 1 pi by 2 is minus 1 to the power n minus 1. Look, sine 2n minus 1 pi by 2 is what? And what will be sine 2n plus 1? Come on, tell it. Ya Raqi. This will be
minus 1 over n.
Raqi. Do you
Minus 1
understand
over
it? It
Yes.
will be minus 1 to the power n. Good. So here, this will be minus. This is this, and then plus half upper limit pi by 2. Pi by 2 will be what? Minus 1 to the power n minus 1, 2n minus 1, minus lower limit will be minus 1 to the power n. Very interesting exercise. Learn. And other limit is 0, 0. Sine 0 is 0. So you are writing now Bn. Look what is happening. Look. So what is Bn? 2 over pi. This is 0, minus minus plus half. And this both minus. And again, there is minus. So actually, this is minus 1 to the power n minus. I'm writing this term, 2n minus 1 plus minus 1 to the power n by 2n plus 1. Oh, it's troubling. All right. And the second term is plus half sorry, this was plus. Look here again. When I'm putting x equal to 0, 0. When I'm putting x equal to 0, 0. Now I am putting minus pi by 2. So sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So minus sign comes here, and here also minus sign comes, so that will be plus. So I'm taking minus out, so this will be minus. And plus half of what? Minus 1 to the power n minus 1 over 2n minus 1 minus 1 to the power n 2n plus 1. See what is happening? This is becoming 0 because they are same. One is with negative sign with another. So Bn is 0. Bn is what? 0. So Bn is 0. So now you are ready to write down the Fourier series. The Fourier series is what is the Fourier series, Iraqi?
fx equal 2 over pi.
Yeah, fx equal to 2 over pi. Absolutely right. Absolutely right.
Plus summation.
Wait a minute. fx equal to 2 over pi, because 4 ala pi ala 2.
Yeah.
Plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity.
And then write an minus 4 over pi.
Cosine 2nx. Finished, because Bn is 0.
Yes. Yeah.
Because Bn is 0.
Yeah.
Now, I want to show that part. In show that, I will choose x equal to 0. And the function is continuous. What was the function? Do you remember?
Yes, it will be 1. That will be 0. It will be 0.
That will be 0. So 0 equal to 2 over pi minus 4 over pi summation n equal to 1 to infinity. What? Understand, wala? Understand? X equal to 0, cosine 0 is 1. Sorry, this, yes, 4n square minus 1. Any question? Yeah, Saud,
Yes, doctor. No,
are
thank
you
you.
understanding? Abdurrahman, do you understand? Look, put x equal to 0, cosine will become 1. I took 4 over minus 4 over pi outside. I took, now what will happen? What will happen, Iraqi? Take that term on that side. So you got 2.
Okay.
You got 2 over pi equal to 4 over pi summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 4n square minus 1. So what you got is summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 over 4 n square minus 1 equal to how much?
Equal 1 over 2.
And this you did in your 203. This is equal to this. Understand? Or this can be asked as, or they can ask you as m equal to 1 to infinity. That is same. Same. Here you cannot change it to other. Do you know in your 203 you have shown this? Find the sum of these infinite series. There was a question here like this. Find the sum of the infinite. You use partial sums, whatever, whatever. So, and show that this is half. All right, please come tomorrow night. We'll do a lot of practice. I want to build your confidence in Fourier series because it gives you 5 marks. And then Fourier integral is similar to Fourier series. So don't lose these 10 marks. Especially there are some very good students who reached almost 30 in the midterm. I want they should get 40 out of 40 in the final. Inshallah. Yes. Oh, that will not be Ramadan? All right. So in Ramadan, then we cannot have time from 8 to 9. We have to have the late in time. Yeah, Abdurrahman, discuss with all the class people. Doesn't matter if it is Ramadan, but it cannot be from 8 to 9. We have to be a little more late than in the night. Then tell me the time. Time will be yours then. All right. All right. Okay. Ma salama.